Get a fire extinguisher. So, a lot of people say potato chips are great fire starters. So let's go ahead and test it in today's experiment. Our first test are plain Oots chips. These are my favorite. So let's go ahead and get it started. And there it goes. It's actually burning. Woohoo! And I'm going to go around and we're going to try the salt and vinegar chips. Okay, the plain ones went out, but salt and vinegar makes it angrier. And in the middle, these are Fox Family's Wicked Hot Barbecue Chips, because I figured barbecue has to make it a lot hotter. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, there we go. They are burning. Woohoo! Well, that's really great. Okay, so as you can see, if you want to use them as fire starters, get the chips that are already hot, the wicked hot ones. So this is awesome. Potato chips do make good fire starters. At least some of them do. The greasier, the better. Are you there?
Oh my God.
And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ooh, we can put up smoke signals. Let's move these to the side here. Okay.